Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at a project called Scroll, how you might be able to qualify for a future airdrop, and how you can invest in DeFi on the Scroll network to earn crypto yield. Scroll is a security-focused scaling solution for Ethereum, leveraging a technology called zero-knowledge proofs. Several members of the Ethereum community have collaborated with each other to create the ZK EVM. It's a layer 2 roll-up network that has all the security native to Ethereum. I've spoken about zero knowledge proofs on previous videos. For those who have not seen my other videos discussing layer 2s, ZK Sync Era, Starknet, Mantle, and Optimism. It's a method for one party to cryptographically prove information to another without actually knowing the information. I'm not going to go too much into the nuts and bolts. It'll probably put you to sleep or make you switch to another video. Long story short, this technology allows the Ethereum network to process transactions faster, allowing for better scalability. Ethereum natively doesn't have this built in. So where is Scroll headed? Well, they released their mainnet back in October of last year. And next up is decentralizing each component of the stack. If you want, you can come over here and look at their blog. They released a technical on January 23rd, just 2 days ago. You can come over here and follow them on X, 664,000 followers. That's a lot. So if you were part of the Arbitrum or Optimism airdrop, you receive tokens for using bridges, transacting, providing governance, among other things. I believe I heard something about Starknet airdrop upcoming, and the jury's still out whether we'll see an airdrop from ZK Sync Era or Scroll. But how you will qualify for this airdrop most likely is by doing things like bridging and investing in DeFi. So if you want to bridge, you can bridge from Ethereum mainnet. You'll need to connect your wallet, your MetaMask. You'll have to have Ethereum in that wallet. So you'll connect to the Ethereum MetaMask. You'll need to set up the Scroll network. Here's the Scroll mainnet information. Once you start interacting with this bridge or their DeFi, it'll automatically enter it for you. But here it is if you want to enter it manually. So once you connect your MetaMask, you have Ethereum in there, you'll be able to send that over to the Scroll network. The gas fees are reasonable. I would wait for a downtime like we're on now, right? We've hit like sort of a short-term bear market, or the weekend when it's less busy. All right, so another potential way to qualify for any future airdrop would be DeFi. So here's DeFi Llama. DeFi market cap, 54 billion. It's off a little bit from last week when I was doing videos. So let's go find Scroll. This is a fairly new ecosystem. We got to scroll down a little bit. I believe they're at around 20 some odd million, 27 million total value lock. Let's click on them. They're up a little bit over the last 24 hours. So today I'm going to discuss Sync Swap on my ZK Sync Era. I use them. Very easy to use, user-friendly. I'm also going to discuss Zebra as well. The rest of this stuff I either can't access or it's too new for me to do any videos on. Like, look, Sushi Swap's only got 108,000 total value locked. You could do COG for lending if you like, but I'm just going to discuss these two for now. And any new protocols that come online in the coming future, I will review and release those to you guys. All right, so let's go discuss Zebra first. So let's go over here. There they are, zebra.xyz. We click Launch App. You can hear, look at this. It looks almost like the GUI for Uniswap. I'm not sure if the Uniswap folks helped design this, but literally it looks exactly like Uniswap. Very, very similar. So if you want to explore the pools, you'd come over here. And if you're familiar with Uniswap, you can do this fairly easily. So we'll go over here to pools. This pool here is earning, I believe, we'll have to go back here and go to earn. And there it is. The USDC wrapped ETH is currently earning 12%. And there's some various other pools. USDC, USDT, 65.5%, not bad. So once you have the pool you want to invest in, you come over here. I'm just going to do this as an example. I'm not going to invest on Zebra today. So here you want to add liquidity. And you need to pick your range. Obviously, that ETH that you bridged over, you're going to have to swap it. So you have to come over here and swap. So half USDC and then you'll need to wrap the ETH as well on the Scroll network. So the gas fees are not going to be a lot. So transacting multiple transactions like that, it's not going to be painful like it is on Ethereum. So once you have your range, you can just enter that in. Obviously, you'll need to have USDC and wrapped ETH in your MetaMask on the Scroll network. All right, so that's Zebra. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, this stuff's fairly new. This ecosystem's being built out. And next, I'm going to go over here to SyncSwap. I've discussed these guys on ZK Sync Era. They support multiple networks. So we're going to go over here to pool, and we're going to look at pools. So right now, the USDC ETH pool on SyncSwap is offering 29.3%. That's 17% higher than it is on Zebra. So we click on that. Obviously, you need to have 50-50. This is going to be a full range, so you're really not going to have to worry about it. You just kind of set it and forget it. The ZK Sync Era that I've invested in months ago, I haven't even looked at it. I looked at it once or twice, and everything looks good. It keeps compounding my rewards, and I keep earning for people trading and swapping on this platform. And they also have the trade function here. So once you have your ETH on the Scroll network, you can convert half of it to USDC, come over here to pool, and then invest in this liquidity pool if that's your choice, and you'll be earning roughly around 30%. All right, so that's the end of this video. It seems like we have an ever-growing ecosystem of Layer 2 networks. It'll be exciting to see how these will all interoperate at some point down the road. If you have any experience bridging or investing in DeFi on this network that you would like to share with others, please leave those in the comments. Obviously, there's no guarantee that there will be any future airdrops, but you gave yourself a good chance to qualify for one if there is. Until next time, keep your head up. The bull market is only 2.5 months away. See ya.